Good morning, children. Children, can you see what is it? Can you tell me the name of it? Yes, it is a caterpillar. Now, children, today in our English class, we are going to read and recite a poem on the caterpillar. The name of the poem is Where is the Caterpillar? So we have to find out where is the caterpillar. Now the boy is looking for the caterpillar. Let us recite this poem. Where is the caterpillar? Caterpillar, caterpillar, hiding today. I looked under the table. So the boy looked under the table. What is the spelling of looked? Looked. Looked under the table. I looked on the chair. So he looked on the chair also. I looked out the window. So he looked out of the window, but he was not there. So he couldn't find the caterpillar anywhere. Let us read it again. Where is the caterpillar hiding today? I looked under the table. I looked on the chair. I looked out the window, but he was not there. Now again the boy is searching for the caterpillar. Where is caterpillar hiding today? I looked in the fish bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. So here, can you see the fish bowl? So he looked inside the fish bowl. There were 2 fishes, but no caterpillar. I looked in the sink. So he looked in the sink. Now children, what is a sink? A sink, it is a place where you wash your hands. It is a basin. है ना? In our houses also we have a basin. So it is a basin. Okay. Now I looked on the tree. So he looked on the tree also, but he could not see the caterpillar. I looked around the flowers. So he looked around the flowers as well, but he could not see the caterpillar. But he saw something. What did I see? A beautiful butterfly looking at me. So the question is, children, where did the caterpillar go? The boy, he got a butterfly. Okay, he saw a butterfly. तो caterpillar को क्या हुआ? Where did it go? Let me tell you something. The caterpillar, it grew into a butterfly. So this is how butterfly comes. Okay, this is the life cycle of a butterfly. The big butterfly, जो बड़ी हो जाती है butterfly, it lays eggs. Okay, it gives eggs. Now out of these eggs, the caterpillar comes out. Okay, the caterpillar comes out of the eggs. Egg के बाहर caterpillar आता है. Now this caterpillar, it eats the leaves. Okay, it eats and eats and eats and it grows big. ये बड़ा हो जाता है caterpillar, and then it becomes a pupa. Okay, it becomes a pupa, and then from the pupa comes the butterfly. That is why the boy did not see the caterpillar because it grew into a butterfly. वो क्या बन गई? Butterfly. So that is all for today, children. Thank you and bye bye.